ngong fans ng bahagi prolog at kiwa the P comes out making class 10 while to prepare the selection test come to SLC examinationในการ matric house of night really match the ini ke video open you lane revision notes ro elangi ini nabenta yang menika subject science yang chapter 1 keteman ko life processes nah ke life processes ke win ke chapter ko wahe man ko long pha ajui por la man ko am kam pha ke ni ka chapter wayi bau school ro ke biology man ko win ke subject wayi bau school na benta yang ni ke subject science na chemistry and physics haliang ng ka constant tom cái hay ní cái notes benda yang gini cái definition cái type cái content cái equation buat lagi equation ada ta ha exam usually what is the nutrition so ada nutrition the atrophic nutrition content ta apa dia boleh life processes. The processes that are necessary for organism to stay alive, example nutrition, nutrition. The life processes man ko ka process wo am kam bhai ke organism ne wi chung thau wa usa u ha ke chung im man ki wo am chung im. The to ke criteria ng life yi upaman ya yi se ka criteria yi am kam ka ni ka chung im. Am kam he ka chung im man ki yo growth ne movement yi yo he la ni yo ki yo khan yi ulai one yi ka met ka part ni ka body yi ka energy then the nutrition ni important nutrition definition in the nutrition the process in which an organism takes in food neutralizes it into the energy for the growth repair and maintenance etc and excrete them with materials from the body cái nutrition mình cứ quý cái cái process một hay niมันก็วิในกี่กับ process ดับวิในวีกำและดับพอไปวีแต่เอาเงินแต่กับวิในกับ process มันก็วนล่องแต่กับ process มันก็วิชิงเท้าชิมุยชิงบัมหาได้ผู้ชิมกิชิงบัมกามุกีจะชิงบัมยูยากตากันแม่ยากแต่กับบอร์ยูเฮอุซานยูปลุงแต่แต่ยูรีเพโรยูปัญชนะยากิโนกิคาและเนกิโนกิ diseases กิววันหาจิงอิมหากเม็ดกับพัดแต่ได้ว่ากันดีกิ nutrition ยารับก็ repair maintenance ยารับก็ maintain เป็นสะเป็นเนะยากระตายกับจิงล่องกับจิงกวาจิงเขียกับยังพีหากเม็ดกับบอดพัดแต่ในเตและexcrete ปลากีเป็นมิกียากีจะเคลียร์จะคลายนากีนากเม็ดกับพัดในเตอังกับเตกับ definition of the nutrition type of nutrition. Number 1 autotrophic nutrition. Number 2 kenika heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition man ki nutrition ki wa yi uchna jing bam da ki yaki example phi kam ki jing thung ki yi ki chna jing bam ki kam ki chania ki vi de hinrai phi nga lane kam kimrat kimring ki chanya ki heiwa ki jingbam da ki vi one for the other organism they depend for the food for the other organism the onki the ki heterotrophic nutrition pia autotrophic pa kini jinge pair wa ka autotrophic wa ka ni da heterotrophic pa auto mut ka cell nani anki yade yibo ejingbam hetero mid order ite ejingapel plants algae blue green bacteria kita anki example ki algae man ki kami tu ki algae tu warna ke anca kita anki ki algae da blue green bacteria hayo ki kayi ka process wa yang kata ka autotrophic nutrition man ko ka photosynthesis waro yang idu tipinang ite dan ka photosynthesis man ko photo min ga lag mun ka jinchi na bo yo na ka source of the sun man ko na ka sngi haji por la synthesis min combine ne manufacture ko raw material wa am kam ha ka take a process and photosynthesis beta carbon dioxide wa ka water man ko kata gas man carbon dioxide wa ka the equation one kini equation rap important bhagi m kam bhane ki equation 6 molecule of the carbon dioxide plus with the 6 molecule of the water we get into the with the help of the sunlight we get into the glucose plus we get the oxygen itu IP ki jing thung bam ki ya kita ka moisture wa ki wa ka carbon dioxide kal air ko si bha ki ti biga ki ka carbon dioxide adik ni tewan in ki ya ka kita ka oxygen 6 molecule of oxygen by ini man ko real life then tem kita ka glucose man ko yo ikan ki jing bam kita ka oxygen man ko ka air ka gas so temi na ki jing thung na ki jing tap khnang yo urine machine ha ki ro kiliang energy conversion man light and solar energy to chemical energy ini le em kam very important. What is the process that convert from the light energy or the solar energy to the chemical energy? The answer is the photosynthesis. You on the right equation of the photosynthesis. The factor rule of chlorophyll to trap what is the rule of chlorophyll to trap the sunlight energy for photosynthesis. Một cái này cái rule một cái chính em cam một cái này cái chính từ cam dùng nhiều chlorophyllคือว่า em hay sila 用 chính thống khả năng của trap và chim nó ya kita tan nó ya kita ki sun energy kita ki sun nang naga sni em nong the energy man ko ka solar energy thì tan nó ki kita ki energy tan nó ki kita ki bor yang kata ga sni khả năng yo chna ya ki jing bang lam em da ka sni mu chna jing bang then is there what are the factor of that the photosynthesis or be the what the factor this man ko kita carbon dioxide em kam pha the rp em ka carbon dioxide moi water plus water the light and temperature ini nang till man like class 11 12 le em kam pha kini what are the factor ki factor man ko carbon dioxide yang kata photosynthesis water claim ko yiu chana jing bam claim ka kata ka yi ka carbon dioxide yi ko te photosynthesis occur Haji for le kam ka light moi kam ka temperature moi te yem kam carbon dioxide water light temperature CWLT mana ngao to exam dem te sa to kam te mana correct kam te khoya CWLT what are the factor of the photosynthesis with the CWLT mean of the carbon dioxide water light temperature very simple event of the step of the photosynthesis absorption of the light energy by the chlorophyll. Number 1 absorption một con ngút cho kita ki energy bám ko ki một dewa wa chim ko ki kita ki light energy man ko ai phi tentu na kasngi yang da utar chlorophyll itu nang ai phi I ka rule chlorophyll man utrap the sun energy for photosynthesis. Then number 2 conversion of light energy to the chemical energy and splitting of the water molecule into the hydrogens and the oxygen. Then number 3 reduction of carbon dioxide into the carbon dioxide. Very simple. Absorption, conversion and reduction. ACR. Number 1 absorption of the light energy. Number 2 conversion. Mana dia ko ungu dia bam kita ki light energy dia ko upanam kam te conversion no kata ka light energy cha chemical na kata ka sngi na ki bor yang kata ka light cha kita ka chemical cha kita ki man ki kam kinja da why reaction hetai then it splitting or ya kita ka water molecule into the hydrogens and the oxygen. So the reduction of the carbon dioxide into the carbon. Netin one reduction. When the reduction ko reduction mean of the presence of that the chemistry do what are the definition of that with the reduction and the oxidation. Oxidation mean of the oxygen. Reduction mean for that with the reaction will occur in the presence of the hydrogen. Very important. So can I reaction of the carbon dioxide into the carbohydrate. Reduction carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. Tanggal ni carbohydrate man ko gawin ki kam kijing bam man ko kabor mod kawin na kata yung kijing bam kamatibi carbohydrate protein minerals vitamin ngate te kini man carbon dioxide naga carbon dioxide kalana ko cha kata carbohydrate kate on ka main rules dan ni ki step yang ka photosynthesis nang kong absorption number 2 conversion dan number 3 reduction. Gases exchange gas used for the carbon dioxide and byproduct man ko kata oxygen dasnya tu ite the source of the raw material ki se ki source mut ka source mut ki tree yang kita ki raw material man ki kita ki tiar kitar ki tools ki raw mut ki wana ka ki em kam ha man ki kam na meriang pu em ki ni ong yu ong mem man ki kem kan ki man made material man ki natural material to ki raw material ka em kam kum tu chna tiari kinu biar ka chna yi merkom ta chai le te ki raw material man ki chini ki sla cha hai te sa te ni te ha kan ni wan yong ka source yang ki raw material yang kan ni autotrophic nutrition dan ni kan ni ka photosynthesis man ki ni da carbon dioxide land plant air aquatic plants man ko water carbon dioxide for the land plant air the aquatic plants water the water and minerals soil so then you are number 2 kan ni heterotrophic nutrition hetero apituntu chane ada ki view charging ban so itu what ile wa uman ikini ki merkompi nga kami bro ki merat ki mi chana jingbam da ki on the question raise the question why the animals and the human cannot manufacture their own food lene you go on why the animal for the heterotrophic nutrition cannot be occurred the answer mean the lacking of chlorophyll P ki ro I gam ki bru le ki mrat ki mi u em to chlorophyll ne ti daw I mi u chna jing bam de I ye I te I jing thong to em to chlorophyll ta de no ka ta yong kini heterotrophic wa chania da ki wi man ki kem kini saprophytic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition man ka organism that feeds on the dead decaying the plants or animals materials example with fungi the bacteria can be defined as bacteria man ki saprophytic nutrition can be mul can be used more effectively ki organism na ne u jing thau u bam ya kita ki kenja ki ut mon ko u pen pia ko u decaying u breaking down ko ya kita ki dead decaying plant for animal bam po ya kita ki wada yap wada ut kita ki jing thong la ne ki mrat ite ong ki saprophytic nutrition you example fi kam mi kisni kamutit utit chajhur ka tu ro man ku saprophytic nutrition they on mul so parasitic nutrition man ki organism that obtain your food from the body of the other living the host utau host manu uwi ne ki merkom unong cha utau nong cha parasite manu utau parasite man ki ini parasite wa im ha po met yong u animals or organism na da bru la da yile ite on the parasitic nutrition organism obtained from the body of the other living the number 2 endo and the number kita yang kani man ko endo and the exo mk wa hapo mk wa drang the parasite live inside the body host tapeworm and the rawworm kam motivi go ikan kijut bundu nang na rawworm ki tapeworm the endoparasite even kam motivi lies ki leech uksi yo em kli ki kite the man ki parasite tang wa ki exo e per ki exo man ki wa chabar ki endo man ki wa support the notes the parasite benefit while the host is usually the ham and the plant the parasite the anal belt and the plasmodium mineral parasite holozoid nutrition number C man holozoid nutrition can the holozoid nutrition man organism mostly animal takes in whole food and then digest it into the smaller particle with the enzymes of amoeba paramecium animals human being so kini holozoid nutrition man you will take warok kajing bam betul what bam laki laka baik kado em kado bang nomrat mo brum mo ya nomrat mo jing thong mo kado em bam te kam example pi kam I hubru I jing thong la bami ki merat la bami ki mesti ki dok ki wala bami the kita angi ke whole nutrition organism mostly animals take in the whole food whole wara fujing bam and then digests u peliat ko ki cha ki ki smaller cha ki khian ki ki particle they will jing rap yong ta ka enzyme ki enzyme lo jing rap ki enzyme ne te yu ki ta ka whole nutrition take places ka step yong ko whole nutrition ma ni ingestion digestion, assimilation and digestion. Kamhubru, ingestion, taking in the food, mana that biching making bam, then digest or breaking down, we getting bam long bar snare pot yung e. Hadin itin assimilation, utilize, mud kam no kita ki bam ki wada terlihat ada bi, haki met haki tissue in the cells yang kamet yang umrap ni yang ikan bibru. Haji por ingestion, removing no kita ki jakla ni kiwa kam daga net kiwa pedang daga net kapat te ong kita ta assimilation ki ingestion mun kita kiwa removals mun ka wa kam de daga net kapat in the nutrition in a human being the alimentary canal mun ka canal ne ka passage kawa kini kicing bam ki alimentary mun ko nom benta yang ka nutrition take place na ka kam ka passage where ilai mat ka jing lalu ti yang ki jing bam na du kitin hadu unu usafocus manu kunja wala jibam kunu hada redang uncara mudi ni tempat dari terwan tepo dot stomach po jing sa kisngar he hadu po sar he to one important glance on what are the rules exam you ask no what are the rules of the salivary gland what are the rules of the salivary amylase of the bile juice the bile juice very important part was not understand the liver bile juice very important the hydrochloric acid pepsin mucus pancreatic juice the kini ki organs kamu ki yang ki ketin hak ketin ko yang kita ke salivary gland ma ki glands yang ki mentu ki glands man ki benja ki glands ki ya ki originate mut ga ko na kam ko originate wa mi kem kita ki mentu nete on kita ki glands hadin nete salivary amylase te na ka glands so mi ki kita ke enzyme man khud ki salivary amylase la ne on ki other known as ptyalin 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 the function of the salivary amylase convert the starch into the sugar very simple starch sugar very simple now SS the stomach man ki gastric gland ki gastric juice na gastric gland to make gastric juice very simple the gastric juice and the early gastric juice hydrochloric acid pepsin and mucus the kill harmful kani ka hydrochloric acid man ko kawina ki ka strong acid kill ko ki harmful bacteria penyap ki bacteria ki wa wanra ka jing ma tang ba yung ki yung jing bam te ki haju porle teman go ya kani ka medium na benta yung ka po man ko wa ka alkaline nor acidic nor the basic acid lam to basic lam to man ki man ko basic ram basic kajak to ki ka alkaline te kini ka pepsin man u digest no ko ki protein very simple pepsin no pichwa digest no you ka protein no p mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach from the corrosive action of the hydrochloric acid kini mucus man ko kan ki man clear lagi man ki clear ni kan tu no ki clear ni ki kaman then tin man temi ki very viscosity is member kam to kam ko le of kaman ki kam ki jamar piang jena kam tu the ki mucus one ya rapan ki u protect ya corrosive ki wada le da kata chloric acid kam api tene chloric acid man ko wina ke strong acid bakil ko ki bacteria haji por la i ko ra ubam ya kita ki regions wa take place ka haji por la kini me pia ya rap ko na benta yo protect ko ki inner lining ki wa chapo ki lining yang ka stomach from the corrosive action of the hydrochloric acid the poetry is a small intestine. How small intestine? The glands half the time even time the small intestine no. The put each and ki the glands go majante ku liver ki pancreas. Uni liver man u danut hadin ki pancreas or TV u kampu kunja to pancreas. Memang tu kasi pancreas utu hajan ni. Dan itu non pon ni ki daun tu liver temi no ya bile juice. Ke bile juice. Then the bile juice make or ya medium the acidic for the action of pancreatic enzyme. Chana ko ya kita ki kata medium man ki thau. Yong kita action ko man ko ki ba acidic. The breakdown of the large fat molecule into a smaller globule so that enzyme can act upon them. Breaking down the large fat kita ki molecule yang kita ki fat molecule cha kita ki kian ki globule so nanti one enzyme can you go uchim benda. Jadi kita one pancreatic juice pancreatic juice bile juice liver bile juice pancreatic juice. Then again, pancreas, ki enzyme you kata migo ki amylase, trypsin, and then lipids. Convert the carbohydrate into the glucose, convert the protein into the amino acid, convert the fat into the fatty acid or the glycerol. Itu lagi function. What are the functions of the amylase, trypsin, and lipids? Or let me give question: what is the role of the amylase, trypsin, or the lipids? Peristaltic movement. The rheumatic contractions of the muscles of the lining of the alimentary canals to push the food forward. Naganika peristaltic movement. Man ko kamta ka rheumatic contraction. Man ka kam ki vive kita ki contraction. Contract move forward and backward. Nane ke sawa pulong te. Debu satu be contract mana contract. The rheumatic contracts also muscle lining of the alimentary canal to push the food forward. Itu ang kata peristaltic movement man kata movement rheumatic contraction. Kang wirab ha ko ya kata ki muscle yang ha ki lining ki yang ka part yang kita ki passage yang kata canal yang kata alimentary ulah jingbam kang push ungiat ko ya ki jingbam ulai bah ki caku angkam ki benta. Check po it's near kamite na ini adrong you also focus the kata sphincter muscle inilah what are the role of sphincter muscle that is held into the exit of the food from the stomach. Villi kini ki villi ones man ki small fingers like projection on the wall of the small intestine or the large intestine. The higher large intestine for absorption ki water inilah amkama unodi to ini kani ka large intestine man absorption of the water for the absorption aro nang ki pahar kan musnel he tai ki bora ka da lut na ko kana mi chalat memory man te kamtam manayi kamtam hachin imoi ki bro manda manami bha kani ka large intestine u take place te bun paniak po te kata ka ro te ko ro de lai be ki mi bahkan jingbam utale bah the kaniga small intestine increase the surface area for absorption of the food but appear hagala intestine u absorption go yaga water haganiga small intestine absorption go yaga jingbam the em kam le wara du em kam hi tangwa kaniga small intestine em kam ba ka du kete ang utale bam go yo ungu em kam ki jingbam utilize ko for the separations nene em kam ki chawro ki cell sakit tissue yang umet yang bro dan ini perlok dari petang piwara itu nadu ki definition nutrition atau kita nutrition kini man ki autotrophic nutrition heterotrophic nutrition ka saprophytic nutrition parasitic nutrition holocyte nutrition the alimentary canal and the glands the organs and the enzymes and joints and the functions in the human being then itu they have a next video and next class the revision is pangyong anika respiration chikmat they kuble chibun prolog wa dapat pi kantam grab ha ya ka selection test kam choro ya ka ya ka final exam man ko kanika metric kanang bha upas bha phi na bentai yang ka subject science ka science man ko wi bha ni ka subject na bentai yang ka secondary school wa yi bha score ha hatu kate kate wa to arab jam ki question ban ki other subject ha man ko wi ne ki wa jam ha man ke ve man he man ki wa jrong man ki wa tabam hi memory jrong tes perlok ini por te aku play page bun wa da yi ba ikan ni videos then singa bah like subscribe and share yaki aku play bun